Okay, so here's an explanation on number 19. What I essentially have here is a polynomial that's made of two terms, but these two terms are are in factored form. So I have this term plus this term, and I need to identify, basically in factoring it, I'm going to use the distributive property in reverse. And so I need to identify the common factors that these two parts have. And if I just detail that a little bit, I'm going to make that first term 2 times x cubed times x plus 2. And then I'm going to make the second part, just so I can really see the common factor, I'm going to make that 6 2 times 3 times x plus 2. Now you can see here that I have a common factor of 2. Now if I look at this x cubed and this x, I have a common factor of x there, and I also have a common factor of that binomial x plus 2. So I'm going to factor out the 2, I'm going to factor out the x, I'm going to factor out the x plus 2, and now what remains, I'll put that plus sign in the middle. So what remains in this term, after I factor out the 2, the x, and the x plus 2, is just an x squared. And then in this term over here, if I factor out the 2, the x, and the x plus 2, I just have a 3 left. And that would be my final factored form of this original polynomial. So it's 2x times x plus 2 times what remained when I factored all that out, which is x squared plus 3. Hope that helps.